Ladies and gentlemen of the press, this is a truly momentous day in the history of mass transit. For today, we are about to unveil the last word in rail safety. Here it is. Satellite observed railroad yards.
Sorry?
I said, satellite observed. Oh, yes. Sorry.
Can you tell us how it works?
Why bother to explain? Allow me to demonstrate. Let us assume there is an obstruction on a track. The satellite detects trouble, and the computer switches the train to another track. It's simple. Because of this fantastic new system, there will never again be another train wreck anywhere in the world.
See that, Tokyo? I've taken over the whole sorry system. When I proposed my own satellite-based train system, the world laughed at me. Well, who's laughing now? Who? I am, you idiot! In 24 hours, I'm gonna derail every train on the planet. They'll all crash and burn. We'll see who's sorry then.
No time for kids' games, no time for girls, helping the good guys, saving the world. Call up Bruno! Yeah, call up the kid, yeah. When you got a problem, call Bruno the kid. Where does he come from? Where has he been? Nobody knows that he's just good for tango. Find Bruno! Yeah, find me the kid, yeah. When you got a problem, call Bruno the kid. Hey, when you got a problem, call Bruno the kid. Find Bruno,
I am so excited about cheerleading tryouts, Bruno. Thanks for coming with me for moral support.
Oh, no problem, Lise. I haven't had this much fun since I helped you change your cat's litter box.
Oh, Bruno, give it a chance. Here's my new coach.
All right, everyone listen carefully. I'm going to teach you a new cheer. Do it fast, don't ask how. Get online and call Globe now.
Do it. Whoa, that is a dumb cheer.
You know, that reminds me, Lise. There's a big sale at the CD Emporium. A few CDs would cheer me up. See ya.
Ah, Agent Bruno. Working out on the gridiron, I see.
Got an offer to try out for the Bears. Team needs a big play man.
Well, so do we, Bruno. Someone called the Engineer has threatened to destroy all the world's trains.
Why? What does he want?
Revenge for being ignored.
Woo! Imagine what he'd do if someone called him names.
He's already taken out a train in Japan. Crikey, we suggest you get to the Tokyo rail station to look for clues. You've got less than 24 hours.
Hey, great.
Got what you wanted right here, Dad. What's it for, anyway?
Oh, your mom asked me to move the TV into the other room. I thought maybe you could help me lengthen the cable.
Well, I would, but my debate team made the regional finals. I'll be away for a day or two.
You're going now?
Well, I didn't know you were on the debate team, Bruno.
Well, I'm not, but the captain got laryngitis, so I talked the coach into letting me join as an alternate. Guy's a sucker for a good argument. Love to chat, but you know those debate guys. Keep the bus waiting and you hear about it all day. This guy, the engineer, must be some kind of computer genius. He overrode the system and set the switch to derail that train.
How did he override it? The story system never fails.
Easy enough for a computer whiz. What I want to know is, why?
Well, he must have had some locomotive.
Not bad, Yarlarino. You're finally getting the hang of this pun thing.
Thank you, sir.
Whatever clues might have been here went boom in the crash. Jarlsberg and I are going to have to ride this track and see what we can find out.
System is shut down. Precautionary thing. Could set you up with your own private train.
Tell them to stock it with plenty of soda. Hey, I get thirsty. Harris, what are you doing here?
What's it look like? Look, I've got raw crabs, squid larvae, and needle-nosed eel fungus.
Harris, if you're sick, see a doctor.
Oh, I got this also. It's the engineer. I intercepted his video transmission and froze his picture on my computer.
So that's why you keep it on ice.
I'm using a special globe enhanceometer to clarify his image. The scanner will fill in enough detail in the next 24 hours for us to see exactly what he looks like a lot.
Is there a chance you can speed up the video enhancement?
I'll do what I can. Meantime, this miniature air tank is for you. There's enough air in that tank to fill 100 balloons.
How will balloons help catch the engineer?
They won't! Well, but at least you can have fun celebrating when you do. And take this, too. I developed these balloons from a new polymer. They're unbreakable. See? They last forever. Oh, yeah!
Thanks, Harris. Come on, Yarly. Our train's ready.
This'll be the last ride you take, Pipsqueak. If you think you can stop my plan, you seriously underestimate me. Just like everyone else.
We would never underestimate you, sir.
I hate it when you suck up like that.
Me? Who are you calling a suck-up?
Can it, both of you? What was I thinking when I hired a married hench couple for muscle?
2 for 1? It can't beat the price.
Then show me you're worth it. Get on that train. Now make sure those 2 meddlers don't make it back in one piece.
Hey, we got the run of the place. I could get used to this.
That may not be a good idea, sir. Does it seem we're climbing this mountain a little fast?
Could be. Come on, let's talk to whoever's driving this thing.
Hold it right there.
If this is a bad time...
Go on, move it nice and slow. Give me that.
Tie him up, Shorty. I'll take the gun.
But I was doing so well.
You two are just in time for a little demonstration.
Good. We'd hate to miss anything.
This here is a barometer/altimeter.
The barometer measures air pressure in the cabin. This is our altitude. As the train climbs higher, air pressure drops.
If I needed a science lesson, I'd have gone to school today.
Well, maybe this part will interest you.
It's a bomb.
Very good! A pressure-sensitive bomb.
Set to go off when we climb to a certain altitude, no doubt.
Right again. Your lucky number is 3,000. Or perhaps that's your unlucky number.
Time for us to go join the engineer. We'd stick around, but I can't take the pressure.
Adios, suckers!
We're climbing fast, sir. My ears are beginning to pop.
In a minute, that may not be the only thing that pops.
Hurry, sir. We're almost at 3,000 feet.
This cord's frayed. If I can just... Got it!
Bravo, sir.
Weather unlimited.
The bomb is about to detonate. We've got to do something fast.
Here, chew for all you're worth.
I'd prefer a breath mint, sir.
No, Meister, I have a plan.
I do hope it's a quick plan. Hurry, sir. The dropping pressure's about to trigger the bomb.
Give me your gum. That tank is increasing the air pressure inside the can.
Brilliant, sir. The bomb won't be triggered no matter how high we climb.
Exactly.
However did you think of that, sir?
I guess I do my best thinking under pressure. Now, come on, let's get out of here. It's a fax from Harris. The engineer's picture.
Do you recognize him?
No, but I'm zeroing in on the location of the store that sold him that barometer bomb rig.
Excellent, sir. Maybe someone there can ID the engineer.
Here it is. Weather Unlimited, Times Square, New York City. And it's open all night?
Times Square at night. Oh, this assignment's getting dangerous.
Look, Jarlsberg. Makeup, hairspray, everything you need to be a TV weatherman.
Excuse me. We're looking for a gentleman who purchased one of these here.
Yeah, have you seen him?
Oh, we don't give out personal information on our clientele.
Well, we're from the Barometer Barn, and this was our 1 millionth customer. We need to contact him so he can claim his cash prize.
Sorry, don't remember, thank you.
Did I mention the merchant who sold him the item gets a matching prize?
510 160 dark skin goes by the engineer. We delivered his purchase to Track 57, Grand Central Station.
Thanks. You'll get your prize soon.
Wait a minute. There is no Barometer Barn.
Then I guess there's no prize!
How will we ever find him here?
Something tells me he's gonna find us.
They're alive!
Oh, let's use the barometer bomb. It's foolproof.
You armed it. You'll probably confuse the plastique with your makeup again.
What are they doing here?
Uh-oh. Remember, stick together.
I told you to get rid of him.
It was her fault.
Quiet. 10 minutes left before I gain control of all the tracks. I'll just get rid of him myself. We can ditch this joint on my secret track.
You're going to bring him here?
Now you are. Now get moving.
Wait, I know this show. This one sheet is a phony. Michael Crawdad was replaced months ago. It's a secret passageway.
Wait a minute. That worker...
Got him! Get their shoes off.
Things seem to be getting kinky, sir. Careful with those shoes. I paid top dollar for them.
Sure, pal. Like you're gonna need him after undergoing my electrifying experience.
We're hanging above the third rail, the power source for the train. Touch it, and we'll be electrocuted.
Gnarly, Yarly.
When you guys hit that rail, psst, bacon bits.
You won't get away with this.
After I wreck the world's trains, they'll have to replace their sorry system with my scam.
Scam?
Satellite-controlled atomic magnet, patent pending. I invented my system of rail control years ago, but I was just some low-level New York Transit flunky. They stole my idea and changed it so they'd get the credit. Now, finally, I'll be recognized for my genius.
Instead of that silly costume.
Well, hate to leave you two hanging, but there's only one train in the world on a safe track, and we're gonna be on it.
Wouldn't you know it? There's never a conductor around when you need one.
Yarly, that's it! We need to make sure we're not conductors either. Electrical conductors. This new polymer Harris developed is a perfect insulator.
How can you be sure, sir? That third rail carries 30,000 volts.
It's our only chance, Jarl's dog. I just hope I'm not shocked by the results.
Oh, well done, sir.
Come on, they're getting away.
One of you go hit the switch behind the secret panel.
I'll do it, boss.
You went last time. Why do you always have to be first?
I can't help it. You're the only competition.
I have a right to do
Oh,
things I
so
want to do.
delicate. Would you just get out of my way
Right,
right
it's
now?
ridiculous.
Glad I could give you a lift.
I know you're back here.
Who, me? Look out! Behind you!
You don't think I'd fall for...
Well, there goes another two-dimensional villain.
Come on!
A minute and a half to go before worldwide disaster, sir.
All we need to do is turn it off.
That could be harder than you think.
Wait! I have an idea! Help me move this to the track. I'll use the third rail as a power source to blow out the control panel.
We need some more cable, and fast. did, sir. You rescued the world's trains from certain disaster.
As usual, Yarly, working with you has been an electrifying experience.
Oh, hi. How'd the debate go, B?
Oh, the other guys talked a good game, but in the end, we turned their lights out.
Great! Hey, do you have time to help with that cable now?
It's right on top of my to-do list.
Oops.
Listen, Dad, I'll pick up a new one later. I guess our debate was more heated than I thought.